Okay, so I'm going to show how to get into an ASUS model X540S. So first what you want to do is remove all the screws from the bottom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, once you do that, you've got to pry all around. Let's just flip it over. I kind of already had it pried open, so it's a little bit easier. But basically you just get a pry tool or your nails and just go along the edges. There are some clips in the middle, so you'll have to kind of pull hard, but be careful because you can see the trackpad and keyboard cables are connected like that. So it's a little difficult to do, but once you get them all the way around, so just like this, just pry all the way around. Okay, all the way around, just like that. Okay. Well, then you can lift gently up. Make sure not to pull too far apart because the cable's there. You'll need to flip the little latch that's holding the cable in place, just like this. Okay. Same with the keyboard one. Just flip it up like that, and then the keyboard can come out. Alright. So that's how you get into the machine. As you can see, the RAM is soldered in place. You can't upgrade it. The fan's replaceable. You can see the fan there, the screws, connectors right here. To remove them, you just grab it with your nails or tool and just kind of keep wiggling it like that and it'll come out. There's the wireless card, the antenna, just like every other model, you lift from the back and it'll pop up. Don't try and pry from the front or you can break off the little connector here. Then you got the speaker connector, the speakers. Right, then there's the battery. You can see the connectors right there. Alright, hinges. You can see everything soldered into the main board. This piece seems to be removable for the CD drive and the hard drive or SSD. I upgraded this to an SSD, so there's just one screw holding the SSD or hard drive in place. Once you remove that, you can pull from the back and pull it straight back, it'll come out. And then 4 screws holding in the bracket. Then you see the CD drive held in place by the screw here, and then, or actually with this screw here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you can, please subscribe as it'll help me grow this out. So the screen's pretty simple to remove as well. You would just pull on the edges like this. The clips will detach, but since I'm not working on that, I'm going to leave it there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.